Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Different background, I know. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. My background looks a little bit different right now because I'm having audio problems where I normally film. So I came out to film this on my iPad. I just wanted to let you know that my November paper crafting kit, as well as the mystery boxes, are on sale now. So the link to my website is in the description box. So go ahead, head on out there, grab a paper crafting kit, grab a mystery box, or grab both. Whatever you do is helping my channel, so I really do appreciate it. Y'all, I'll be back tomorrow with another fabulous video.